Namaskar, Pranam. On the dais, Sri A. Revant Reddy, Honorable Chief Minister of Telangana, Sri Mallu Vikramarka, Honorable Deputy Chief Minister of Telangana, Srimati Dr. Anusriya Sitaka, Minister of Women and Child Welfare and Panchayati Raj, the Honorable Ministers of the Cabinet, the Honorable Mayor, Chief Secretary, other dignitaries who are on the stage. It's an honor for me to come and inaugurate these stalls here, and be a witness to such a lovely occasion of women empowerment. And the Indira Mahila Shakti Bazaar located beside Shilpapuram in Madhapur, and we hope it will become a reflection of empowerment and innovation. Let us remember that the ancient slokas, where women are honored, the gods are pleased. In our Indian culture, Shakti is equated with women. And I am very glad to know that the whole nation today is undergoing a revolution of women empowerment. महिला सशक्तिकरण का एक क्रांति चल रहा है, और इसमें हमारे तेलंगाना अग्रभूमिका ले रहे हैं. सुन के मुझे अच्छा लगा. I am very glad to know that the women of Telangana are taking a lead in this revolution of empowerment of women. And when we talk of development has to be inclusive. That's why we say Sabka Saath. It has to take everyone along, so we say Sabka Vikas. And it has to come through. Sabka Vikas cannot come automatically. The government itself cannot do it. No government in this world can do it by itself. It is Sabka Prayas. It is through the effort of every person, every citizen, that Sabka Vikas takes place. When I say everyone, it is the whole society, and our mothers and sisters are half the society. Unless we involve them, it will not be Sabka Prayas. So the SSG movement is the most important movement in the development of this nation. And I am very happy to know, I was interacting with the sisters of the SSG groups, and I was very happy to know the innovative ideas that have come out from the grassroots. Before, planning used to be from the top. Today, due to SSG movement, planning is from the bottom, from the grassroots. Our sisters were telling me of event management in the village. We are talking of Bartan banks, Mahila Shakti canteens. These are all new ideas. So now our empowerment of women is brimming with ideas, is full of new ideas. Our sisters are trying to not become job seekers, but job givers. The spirit of entrepreneurship has entered the village. I have heard today from the Chief Secretary that you have 65 lakhs members, and the Chief Minister wants to make it 1 crore. My best wishes to him. The more SSG members increase, we know that we are reaching toward a Vikasit Bharat. We cannot leave the women folk behind and say Vikasit Bharat. We must take them along. And India is all about villages. The Prime Minister has said that 75 years back we got Swaraj. Today we have to get Suraj, good governance. And good governance means good governance in the villages. गांव ही भारत है. भारत क्या है? गांव है भारत. भारत का संस्कृति कहाँ है? गांव पे है. So in this prime area, IT area, there are 106 shops that has been opened. And the Chief Minister was telling me this is the most expensive area. And I would like to tell him we have done the correct thing. Because not only it will be business, it will be carrying the Sanskriti and Sanskar of Telangana to all corners of the world. This is not only business, this is also heritage. This is not only earning, this is your culture. And such magnificent handlooms, such lovely handicrafts, they need a place like this. And SHG groups need market linkage. Our sisters are making very good things all over India, but there is no market linkage. They find it very difficult to find a market to compete with the corporates. And I am very happy in Telangana that the SHG groups will be power generators. I am very happy to know that you will be using renewable energy, generating renewable energy to light up homes. Lighting up a home is lighting up a life. घर उज्जवल करना आदमी का जिंदगी उज्जवल करना है. So this is a very, very nice thing. And power to the women. Women will be power generators. And this hub, as I said, is located in the IT hub. And it is a very, very brave step to take, to allocate this place to, SHG groups. And I hope that the SHG groups will do very well here, because I have just roughly gone around the shops, and I see such quality products. I am a great fan of, Telangana handlooms. They are one of the most beautiful handlooms that I have seen in India. And now I am a great fan of the Telangana SHGs. They are very innovative and very, inspiring. Very, very inspiring. बहुत इंस्पायरिंग है, इतना नया आइडियाज है, नया सोच है. On the sisters who spoke were also confident. I understand Telugu 35-40%, but I understand the body language 100%. Very, very confident. बहुत अच्छा लगा. इतना कॉन्फिडेंस है, yes, we can do it. और SHG लोग का डिफॉल्ट नहीं होता है, पैसा वापस देता है बैंक को. बैंक भी खुश है. महिला को ऋण देने के लिए बैंक बहुत खुश है. पुरुष को देने के लिए चिंता करते हैं कहीं भाग ना जाए. महिला को देने के लिए बहुत अच्छा लगता है बैंक को, वापस मिल जाते हैं. So this is the spirit. All revolutions are not carried out on the road. झंडा डंडा लेके रेवोल्यूशन नहीं होता है हरदम. रेवोल्यूशन होता है काम से और ग्रास रूट का काम से. आज ये ग्रास रूट का काम बहुत अच्छा चल रहा है. अच्छा चले. जो गांव का महिला है, विशेष करके हमारे जनजाति महिला, अच्छा करे, उज्जवल भविष्य हो. लेट तेलंगाना बिकम दी